Hi everybody, another chicken video. These are the Supremes. They're getting big. This is an antique plague pen that I keep them in. Used to be for humans. Anyhow, I just found out there's an imposter in the group. I don't know if it's Flo, Diana, or Mary. But one of them is a male because we've been hearing crowing in the morning. So, I don't know which one it is because they're not fully mature, but there's definitely a female impersonator in the group. So I'm going to have to change the group's name. They will now become Tony, Orlando, and Dawn. Say hello to the people. Which one of you is a boy? It's not this one. Might be this one. Flo could be a beau. I don't know. But this is their progress. Say goodnight, everyone. Bye now.